Hello students, I hope there is no problem in income method. So today I will complete the remaining portion of the income methods. So the points are written here. You see that the points I have written precautions of income method. Precautions of income method means that while estimating of national income, we have to keep in mind some points at the time of calculation, which items will be included or not. So I have written here few points. Now I am going to say one by one. The number one point, number one, transfer incomes. Transfer incomes, you know the meaning of transfer incomes. In transfer incomes is that income we can get without giving any services. So this type of income not included in the national income. Transfer income, as for example, we can say that old age pension, scholarships, and gifts, these are the transfer. Now the second point is income from sale of second hand goods. Income from sale of second hand goods. So this also not included in counting of national income. Second hand goods means that you purchased scooter last year and now this year you want to sell this scooter. So this is the second hand goods. So the income by selling the second hand goods not included in national income. So now next point is windfall gains. What is windfall gains? Windfall gains means that the income we can get with the help of lottery. So this type of income not included in national income. Next, corporation tax. We know corporation tax is a part of profit. So corporation tax separately not included in national income because profit already included in national income. Next point is income from illegal activities. Income from illegal activities means that smuggling and theft, dacoities, this type of activities when the people earn money. So this type of income not included in counting of national income. So these are the points you have to keep in mind. Not included. Not included. Not included, not included and not included. So these are the points at the time of calculation. These points you have to keep in mind, not included in the calculation of national income. So the national income portion has completed now. Now next I am going to start the expenditure method. So I am going to make the structure of expenditure method.